What's up, you guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $100 a day on Clickbank for free. Stay tuned. If you want more videos like this where I show you how to make money online and be an entrepreneur and create a life of freedom, smash that subscribers button. Alright, now let's get into the video. So the first step, we're gonna create an account. So the first step is creating a Clickbank account. You just go in there, press create an account. You fill out all the information that it asks you, and then there's a part where it starts asking you questions about your experience, and a lot of people are having trouble with that, and you just answer the questions as if you have experience. Just put that yes, I have experience and everything, and you're gonna get approved. And once you get approved, you're gonna go into the back office and go into the marketplace. So the step number two is finding an offer. So you're gonna find an offer that you want to promote, and it's gonna be based on your niche. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about weight loss. So in the weight loss niche, a lot of people want to lose weight, and you're gonna go to the marketplace, go to health and fitness, and you're gonna sort the results by gravity. What that's gonna do is gonna bring the search where all the products that have been people have selling the most, it's gonna put it at the top, and you're gonna pick one of those because that's actually converting. Don't go to the bottom and like 30 gravity, or no, actually that's not bad, but like don't go under 30. You want to be 30 to like 70. That's the best range to be in. So step number three is gonna be traffic. Now, this is the most important, because if you have a converting offer but you don't have any traffic, well, it's gonna be like a deserted island. It's gonna be there, but no one knows about it, like an island. There's a lot of islands that people haven't discovered. So how are you gonna know about it if no one is going to that and actually telling other people about it? So what your offer is like a deserted island. So you want to get people to that deserted island so they can see and maybe even purchase your product. So what traffic source you're gonna use is YouTube. Now, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, number one being Google. YouTube, it's all videos, and people in this age, like millennials, don't like reading, like myself and like most of you guys. So you're gonna start making videos. Now you don't have to put your face in it if you don't want to. You can put pictures and like to voice over it. And what you're gonna do is go to a weight loss channel or a page that has a lot of views and subscribers, and you're gonna go to their most popular video about weight loss, and you're gonna watch that video and take as much information as you can from it, and then repurpose that content and make your own. So you're gonna make your own video. No, not like that. You're gonna make your own video similar to the video that you just watched that has a lot of views, and you're gonna put the same tags and almost the same title and everything. And what YouTube is gonna do is find similar videos like that video you just repurposed, and it's gonna recommend them in the sidebar. When you get into the sidebar, if you have a clickbait title and a interesting thumbnail, people are gonna be drawn to it. So they're gonna click your video and they're gonna see some value in it when you're giving value. And what you're gonna do is, in the description, you're gonna say like, I recommend this product if you want to take a shortcut and start seeing results like maybe next week or next month. And that's free traffic. All you do is like minimal work. You just don't copy, that's plagiarizing. All you do is take the information from someone else and then just reuse that information and put your twist on it and make your own video. And you do that like I don't know how many videos it's gonna take, but you just keep doing that and YouTube's gonna send more views to your videos, and your videos are gonna have your product under the description. And you're gonna tell people that in the link below there's gonna be my recommended product if you want to see some results and get results faster. So people are gonna see that, some of them are gonna click, and this is a bonus that if you want those views and those people that are clicking the link in your description, if you want them to last longer as a customer, you're gonna get their email address, which you're gonna create a capture page, which is gonna get their email address, and you're gonna give something away to them for free, so they actually put in their email address. So once they put your once you get their email address, you're gonna start sending them offer value, and some of them are gonna click on your emails and check it out. If they haven't bought the first time, they might buy the second time or the fourth time or maybe like the 50th time. Doesn't matter, they're still gonna buy it if they want it. So that's my bonus for you. And if you guys want more videos like this, smash that subscribe button so I can keep making more videos like this and teaching you guys how you can make money online. If you want to take a shortcut to your success, click the link in the description where it's going to take you to a page that's going to show you how you can start your own online business, and you're going to learn a lot from that. And by saying this, see you guys in the next video.